Hi again, this is part 6 of our 7-part series sharing our experiences of the small hidden gem hotels and lodges which we picked as basis for our travels around Sri Lanka. In each video for each hotel, we'll give you our first impressions of our room, a tour of the hotel's communal facilities, and then at the end give our honest opinion of the positives and negatives of each hotel or lodge, having stayed there for a few nights. So, here are our thoughts on the Flameback Ecolodge in Weerawila, close to the south coast of Sri Lanka.
We've just arrived at Flameback Ecolodge, and what a lovely location this is. We're in a tent called Monarch. Each tent is given a bird name. So this is our tent, which is pretty much the end of the grounds, which is lovely. Next one is a little way over here. They're all sort of set slightly off from each other. And then literally the lake is here. That's our view. We've then got an outside table and chairs here, and here is the actual tent. We've got a sort of a double lock system with a padlock because they worry about monkeys here. They get both the toc macaques and the grey langurs. So here we go in. Look at this aircon unit in a tent. There's also a fan to the side if we don't wish to use the aircon. Kettle, power, drinks, torch for emergencies. That's what a Monarch looks like. Bed looks heavenly. Got Wi-Fi here. Fi details, etc. on that. 2 wardrobes, which again you don't normally expect in a tent. Ta-da! Bathrobes and a safe in the other side. Voila! Another wardrobe here. Look at that, beautiful sink. Blue. And shower. And apparently there's loads of hot water, so another good shower needed later because it's another hot day. Oh, and down here we've got a brilliant sort of bench that's taken both our huge cases, and a reminder that that is our view. How gorgeous is that? There's Alan posing nicely. Some beds all around here. This is the gorgeous pool. It's a bit breezy this afternoon, which is a real relief. It's 33 degrees, so I don't mind a bit of breeze. There's a shower just hanging in the tree. Don't know if you can see just the other side here. That's where the shower is. And at the back here, which is under the restaurant, is a sustainability and environmental room where you can find books on butterflies, wildlife, birds, etc. So that's quite handy if you don't have anything like that. And up the top, can't quite see here, is the restaurant upstairs, which is a really lovely spot in the evenings. New access around the side there, and the naughty monkeys are generally in the trees up this end. We've got macaques and grey langurs hanging around all the time. If you hear a crash, generally it's the monkeys up to monkey business.
Well, there's a few more. There's a macaque in the foreground and grey langur monkeys behind. They seem to make themselves very comfortable around this villa at the back here. They've literally made this place their own. It's kind of like a monkey playground.
This was the spa, a pavilion up on stilts in the grounds. We were each given 10-minute complimentary foot massages, which were great, and we then booked and enjoyed full body massages, which cost about £30 each for 60 minutes. These were excellent, although having monkeys jumping on the roof halfway through did tend to spoil the ambience a bit. We took a bird-watching walk late afternoon with the in-house naturalist, who was great at identifying and pointing out the bird life in the grounds. We finished up just outside the gates to watch sunset over the lake.
Just been on a late evening birdwatching tour from the hotel in Weerawila, Flameback Ecolodge. It's got a lovely sunset over the lakes.
This is the lodge's restaurant. We forgot to take footage of the restaurant deck itself, which had a lovely view over the lake. Food overall was good, though not the best we had over the hotels we stayed at. We think they were trying to offer too much of an international selection. The only issue in February was swarming insects in the evening, which were attracted into the lights and did bite, which made dining up there less pleasant than it should have been. They also started to swarm all over the outside of our tent after our first afternoon, so we couldn't enjoy our terrace on days 2 and 3. Definitely bring repellent. So here's our honest feedback on the positives and potential negatives of Flameback Ecolodge. In summary, it's a lovely place with a lot going for it, but given the issues we experience with local loud music at night, we'd be wary of staying at a weekend, particularly if you're due up at 5 a.m. for a safari. Management advised the issue we experienced with bugs was a seasonal thing, so we may have been unlucky, but do take plenty of repellent as we did collect a lot of bites. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel to see our other hotel and lodge reviews from both Sri Lanka and elsewhere. Thanks for watching.